How to format a Microsoft Excel 2007 cell in hexadecimal? I would like to format a cell in Microsoft Excel 2007 in hexadecimal, but I'm not finding how to do this. Is there a built-in way to change the base from 10 to 16 for a cell?
As mentioned earlier, the formula equals dec2 hex A1 converts to hex, and dec2 hex A1 converts to hex with 0 prefix to denote 32 bits. While adding the leading zeros makes the numbers more readable, especially if you use a fixed point font, the hex and decimal versions can get mixed up when all of the digits in the number happen to be 0 to 9, for example 3277, 01 equals 50015. An improvement is to add the 0x prefix. There are two ways to do this. Equals 0x and amp, dec2 hex A1 com8 will do the trick, but it changes the field to a text field, so it can no longer easily be used in formulas. Another method is to use a custom format. If you apply the custom format 0x at to the cell, then the value of the cell can still be used in an equation. Examples: this URL.
If you want to format a cell so that you can type in a decimal number and automatically have it displayed as a hexadecimal number, then that's not possible. You can either format the cell as text and enter hexadecimal numbers directly, but note that Excel cannot use those for calculations, or use the dec2 hex and hex2 dec functions to convert between base 10 and base 16.
If cell to be converted is A1, use equals dec2 hex A1.
If you need to perform mathematical operations on numbers converted to hex, first convert them to decimal, perform the operation, then convert back to hex. For example, if cell A1 has a hex number, such as would be created from this formula, which would be displayed as 11, and cell A2 as formula, which would be displayed as A5, and you want to add them together, then this formula would get the desired result, which would be displayed as B6.
It was 4